Hi everyone, I'm Hedy and today I'm going to show you how to cook pumpkin multigrain porridge. It's a comforting dish, especially if you're recovering from COVID-19. Multigrains give this porridge texture and flavor. Chicken breast meat and pumpkin make it tasty too. We're also going to make our own chicken stock for this dish. Start by blanching 3 chicken carcasses in 1.2 liters of water. Remove the chicken carcasses from the pot and rinse well before using. Bring 3.5 liters of water to boil in a clean pot. Add 3 slices of ginger to the pot. Next, add the chicken carcasses. Boil on high heat for 15 minutes, then turn the heat down to medium-low and continue boiling for 1 hour. Add the chicken inner fillets into the pot and cook for 3 minutes. Remove the chicken fillets from the pot. Once the meat is cool, shred and set aside. Wash the multigrain before use. Strain and pour 2 liters of the chicken stock into a clean pot. Bring it to a boil. Then add the multigrain. Boil over medium heat for 1 hour. Add 20 grams of dried white bait for a boost in flavor. This is entirely optional. Next, add the pumpkin and cook for 5 minutes. Add the shredded chicken breast meat and stir. Bring the porridge to a simmering boil and season with salt. And there you have it, pumpkin multigrain porridge. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and thank you for watching.